This is how to use the ROG Ally charger dock. For this you'll need a high power Type-C charger. This is the one that came with my ROG Ally. It is always recommended to use this one or another high power one. For example, some laptops have high power Type-C chargers. You can use any type of Type-C charger to charge your ROG Ally, but if you want to play at the same time it is charging, you will need to use this type of high power one. In order to charge it, you have to connect it on the port that's on the top of the ROG Ally. Let me show you. This is the Type-C slot you need to use. Put the charger in here, and as you can see, the charging icon, it is now active. Now you know how to use the charger dock on the ROG Ally.